Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to recover guest account in Free Fire. If you are using a guest ID and still don't see the recovery option, first log out of your current account. After logging out, you'll see the login page again. From there, select guest to log in as a guest. If you already have a new guest ID, that's fine. Otherwise, create one. Once you are logged into your guest account, go to the settings, and that's where you should see the recovery option. If it's still not showing, there may be two reasons. The first is that you have just created a new guest ID, and in that case, the option will automatically appear within 7 days. The second reason is that your old guest account files are missing. To check that, open your file manager and go to My Files. Use the search bar to type guest. If you find files related to your old guest account, it means your recovery option should soon become available. Once you see the recovery option, click on Recover. A message will appear saying that your current guest account will be lost and the old one will be restored. Confirm by clicking Recover again. If your old file exists, you'll see the message Restore Success. Please log in again. This means there is a 90% chance that your guest account has been successfully recovered. If it says Restore Failed, then the recovery did not work. After you see Restore Success, log out of the guest account and wait for about 5 to 6 hours or even 1 day before logging in again. This waiting time allows the system to synchronize your old data. When you log back in with your guest ID, your old guest account should be fully recovered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.